Hello everyone, my name is Anshupriya Kumar. As you can see from my account username, handle, whatever, because I was not very creative with my name, so I went with the one that my parents gave me. So in this video we will be talking about all the things that I want from the universe by the end of this year or my next birthday. So first one on this list is I don't need anything. I am not a materialist person. I just need people's love, and that's it. That is enough for me. And the next thing on the list is BTS tickets, because I love BTS. And if it is like front row tickets, I don't know what they are called as of now, but that would be even more grateful. I would be the gratefulest of the grateful person there is to exist. Please give me BTS tickets. That's it. Next on the list is Dyson hair wrap, because my hair is straight and I like to style it without heat damage or minimal heat damage, whatever that is. And I just want to be that person, like who makes those videos with Dyson hair wrap. Please give it to me, universe. Next is digital camera, because girls who have digital camera are so obnoxious and annoying, and I would love to be that. I mean, that is the kind of annoying I want to be. Like, I don't know, there are other kinds of annoying, but this is the kind of annoying I would love to be. And next is monetization. YouTube monetization, please, please, because I have been doing this video thing, YouTube thing, and everything for I think like 4 years, like I think 2 years continuously or something. I don't know, I forgot, but I have not still gotten monetized. So I would be grateful if I could get monetized by the next year of my birthday, or by this end of 2026 I would get monetized. I don't know. And next is Anya of Green Gables. See, the story behind this ask from the universe is because last year, I think, not last year, when I was in 5th 6th grade, I first read the first book, and I was like, oh my god, this is such a great book. And I read it from my school's library. Okay, so I did not know there were 8 books in the series, and I did not know there were 8 books in the series. So I was like, okay, the story ends over here, and I was satisfied with it. But then I got to know something after watching that Anne with an E on Netflix. I was like, oh my god, there are 8 books. I went and searched. Like, I was so stupid. Of course there was 8 books, and I would love to have them. I don't like, I read books digitally, but I love when I have the physical copy and I could read it, because that's just better for my eyes, because I get headaches after looking at the screens a lot. So I want those, and I just like to have a physical collection of books. I'm just that kind of person. Next is this camera set, Osmos Pocket. I would be a great vlogger with it. So universe, do your magic and give me this. Next, thank you.